think I just missed my flight. What do I do now? This is a real-life English panic situation at the airport.
Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Here you learn real-life English conversations through emotional and practical situations. Let's jump into today's story.
Oh no, this can't be happening.
Hey, are you okay?
I think I just missed my flight.
Wait, what happened?
I was at the wrong gate, and now the flight is gone.
Oh no, that's stressful.
Yeah, I don't know what to do now.
Okay, calm down first.
I can't. This is really bad.
It's not the end. We can fix this.
Really?
Yes. Did you talk to the airline staff?
No, I came here directly.
You should go to the help desk.
What should I say?
Just explain clearly. I missed my flight.
Okay, I can say that. This is my first time traveling alone. I messed everything up.
No, you didn't. This happens more often than you think.
Really?
Yes. Airports can be confusing.
I feel so stressed right now.
Take a deep breath.
Okay, I'll try.
What's your destination?
Los Angeles.
There are many flights there. You'll get another one.
I hope so.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Good. Show that at the help desk.
Okay, I feel like everything is going wrong today.
It feels like that, but it's just one mistake.
Yeah, but it's a big mistake.
It's fixable.
I hope they don't charge too much.
Sometimes they change flights for free or a small fee.
That would be good.
Let's go together. I'll help you talk.
Really? You would do that?
Of course.
Thank you so much. I was completely lost.
No problem. That's what people do.
I was so confident in the morning.
And now?
Now I feel like everything went wrong.
It's just one moment, not your whole day.
That's true.
You'll learn from this.
Yeah, always double-check the gate.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go to the help desk.
Yes.
Let's fix this. Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I think I missed my flight.
Okay, don't worry. Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here it is, on my phone.
All right, let me check. Yes, your flight has already departed.
Yeah, I went to the wrong gate.
I understand. That happens sometimes.
Is there anything I can do now?
Let me see what options we have. Where were you flying to?
Los Angeles.
Okay. There's another flight in about 3 hours.
Really? That's good.
Yes, but there may be a change fee.
Oh, how much?
Let me check. It looks like a small fee.
Okay, that's fine. I just don't want to miss the whole trip.
That's actually not bad. At least you have another option.
Yeah, I feel a bit relieved now.
Would you like me to book you on the next flight?
Yes, please.
All right. I'll update your ticket.
Thank you so much.
Okay. You're now confirmed on the next flight.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Just make sure you go to the correct gate this time.
I definitely will.
See? Problem solved.
Yeah, I was panicking for no reason.
It felt big at the moment, but it was manageable.
True. Thank you for helping me talk to the staff.
You did most of the talking.
But I needed the confidence.
And now you have it.
I actually learned something important today.
What's that?
Even if things go wrong, you can fix them step by step.
Exactly.
At first, I felt completely lost.
And now?
Now, I feel in control again.
That's growth.
I also noticed my English was better than I thought.
See? You handled a real situation.
Yeah, I spoke clearly and they understood me.
That's real communication.
I think I just needed real-life practice.
That's always the best way.
So now I just wait for the next flight? Yes, your boarding time will be updated on the screen.
Okay, now you have time to relax.
Yeah, I need that. This day started really stressful.
But it's getting better.
Yes, much better.
Sometimes mistakes teach the biggest lessons.
I agree. I'll never forget to check my gate again.
That's a good habit now.
I'm actually glad this happened.
Really?
Yeah, I learned confidence.
That's more valuable than a perfect trip.
True. I can't believe how stressed I was earlier.
Yeah, you were really panicking.
I honestly thought my whole trip was ruined.
That's how it feels in the moment.
But now, everything is sorted.
Exactly. You handled it well.
I didn't expect things to turn out like this.
Life is full of surprises.
Good ones and bad ones.
And lessons, too.
You know, I think this was actually a good experience.
Even though you missed your flight?
Yeah, because I learned something important.
What did you learn?
To stay calm and solve problems step by step.
That's a powerful lesson.
And also, I realized my English is not that bad.
It's actually good.
I was able to explain my situation clearly.
Exactly. That's what matters.
Before today, I was afraid to speak in stressful situations.
And now?
Now, I feel more confident.
That's a big improvement.
I guess real situations teach faster than practice alone.
Always.
I'm really glad you helped me.
You helped yourself, too.
Yeah, I just needed a push.
So now you have a few hours before your next flight.
Yes, I think I'll just sit and relax.
Good idea.
Maybe grab some coffee this time?
And double check your gate.
Definitely. This day started with panic.
And now?
Now, it feels like a success.
That's the mindset. Remember this. Problems feel bigger when you panic, but they become smaller when you take action.
Yeah, I see that clearly now.
And the same goes for learning English.
How?
If you stay silent, it feels hard. But when you start speaking, it becomes easier. So, for everyone watching this, don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait to be perfect in English. Start speaking today. Make mistakes. Learn. Improve.
If this conversation helped you understand real English in a real situation, then you're already improving. Now, take action. Like this video, subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab, and practice speaking English every single day. Sarah, we upload real-life English conversations every week, so you can learn natural American English step by step. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and you will become fluent. Today, I thought I lost my flight, but I actually found confidence. And your English journey can be the same.